HP Ink Tank 419 Wi-Fi Borderless Print Color Printer. Product information. All-in-one. Includes all the features you need for all your printing, scanning and copying tasks with ease and simplicity. The comfort of printing without borders. Expand the area of every printout to maximize the experience. More pages for your money. Print what you want with an extremely low per page cost. Simple, spill-free refill. Get convenient, no waste, mess-free. With resealable bottles and HP's unique ink tank system. Convenient ink management. Whenever you're running low, simply replenish with original HP high-yield ink bottles. Hassle-free ink management. Easily monitor and maintain ink levels. With transparent ink tank. Smart task for custom shortcut. Eliminate steps involved in repetitive tasks with one-touch customizable shortcuts, using smart tasks. A printer that listens to you. With apps like Alexa and Google Home, command your printer without moving. Wireless convenience for you. Connect directly through a wireless network connection to your printer without using a wireless router or access point. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.